Hi. In this video, we will learn about the Format Painter in Excel.
Format Painter enables you to quickly apply formatting by copying the formatting from one place and applying it in another place. So here, if you want to apply this type of formatting onto this raw data, we can of course do the formatting manually by selecting this cell, then we can apply background, blue background, and we can apply a white font. But rather than doing this manually, let me undo this. We can undo from here. Or I will do a Control Z undo shortcut. So I can go to apply formatting from here to this table over here. I can go to the Home tab, and under this Home ribbon, under the clipboard group, we have the Format Painter. So let me first select the cell that I want to copy the formatting from, in this case this cell. Then I click on the Format Painter. Now we see the Format Painter has become highlighted and my cursor now looks like a paintbrush. So now I can apply the formatting to wherever I want. So I will apply formatting to the whole of these headings like this. See, formatting got immediately applied. Now you will notice that the Format Painter has become deactivated. What if I want to keep on applying formatting? Now let's say I have a bold format like this, and I want to apply this bold format to other locations. So I can double click on the Format Painter, and then I can apply on multiple locations. And the Format Painter is still active. To deactivate the Format Painter, you can either click on the Format Painter again, or you can press the Escape key. So let me undo this. So if I want to apply formatting to the whole of this data, I can select all of this data over here with the formatting, click the Format Painter, and paint over the whole data set. And immediately formatting gets applied. So if you have already formatting in some place in your worksheet, this is the quickest way to apply that formatting to other locations.
Thanks for watching.